jump. I hope Benson didn't miss the shot, but that was the easiest back 7.
Hi!
How'd that back 7 look? Holy cow, that scared me looking up in the sky.
That was huge!
What? I'm learning, guys. I'm learning, you're learning, we're all learning. Holy cow, that scared me looking up in the sky.
That was huge!
Wait, are you Johnathan Buckhouse?
Yeah.
How are you, Ron?
You okay?
I'm good, I'm good.
Did you guys see the homie get bodied? That was insane. On that note, guys, what's up? Welcome to today, Team Buckhouse. We're gonna go off on the jumps. We have a mission today, literally a goal. Cab 5, front 3, back 7. That's what I want to get today. I do think it's possible, and we just gotta start sending it, so let's go. That front 3 on that sucking jump was terrifying. If you guys don't know, front side rotations are hard for your boy. We're warming up so good though. So with that run, it's one piece to the 3 line that we're trying to get today. So all of today is building around one jump line, which is cab 5, front 3, back 7. Now we might not get it today because things, you got to build them, but we did the front 3. We're gonna try and do back 5 on the 3rd jump after the front 3, which will then lead to the back 7. And then the hardest trick that's gonna take today is going to be the cab 5, because that's a trick I've done, but I've never done a jump that big, but I really think I can pull it together today. So cab 5, front 3, back 7, which is a setup to the ultimate goal this season, which is gonna be cab 5, front 7, back 10. I just said a lot of words for you guys. Sorry if that was confusing. If it was, smash the subscribe button, because that means we got to teach you some stuff. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible. So subscribe to not only watch the lines, but to get better at snowboarding. We have a crew today too, like my brother and my sister and my brother-in-law are here. Benson's here, Michael Skidock's here, Jonathan's here. Literally have a crew, but camera's on your boy. We're going for something today. Let's go. Skidock's out of here, guys. We appreciate him. He filmed all those jumps. We went heavy.
Hope you guys enjoyed the film. That was a really fun morning.
Check him out, guys. Your house of Troy, wherever you are. Skidock. All right, guys. So close to that back 7, we did back 5. I could have done the 7, I bailed. I didn't think my speed was correct. I was a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. So something you might not know about me is like I struggle with big jumps, and then spinning big jumps is something I've never really done. So like that third jump that's up here, the one I want to get a 7 on today, is massive. And then the fact that I'm doing a front 3, which is my not best rotation, into then the jump to throw back 7, like that's a lot. So like my progression isn't totally just a new trick. It's like, can I do a front 3 into a back 7? Like that to me is progression. And it's when you get to a level like mine, that progression might be a little bit smaller than, you know what I'm saying, than like just doing your first 360. So just be aware of that. Slash like also just so you know, like that's what I work on snowboarding every single day I go ride. There's something that I'm working on, and I encourage you guys to do it as well. So comment down below, what are you guys working on with your snowboarding? I'd love to know. So now that the ski dock left, we do got to get the crew back together. So I'm gonna have to wait up top for them to show up. But the one thing we don't have to wait on is today's sticker shout out. We got Benjamin with the camo sticker on the helmet, looking so sick. Guys, we still have some of the camouflage stickers. If you like camouflage or want to get a camouflage sticker, you can do that. And we also have Kim with the boomerang pointing out her snowboard with the Evolution sticker. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting the channel, snagging an Evolution sticker. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of our Evolution merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, guys, we have face masks, pillows, we have so much merch. Check out the merch store, guys. All of that is linked in the description. I also pop up the little like iCard things there too, if that works for you. And then if you do snag any of the merch, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also make sure you follow the Instagram. I post a bunch of behind the scenes content, a bunch of cool stories. I do try to take a lot of effort with my stories and post funny things for you guys. So make sure you're checking out the stories as well as just all the bonus content. You don't want to miss out on it on the Instagram. Go follow the Instagram. And enough talking, let's get back with the crew. And I do want to get this back 7 before we change the pace of this video. It's kind of been like hardcore charging, but I'm progressing my snowboarding so much today, guys, you have no idea. Are you backflipping Benson?
No, I'm front flipping Benson today.
I hope Benson didn't miss the shot, but that was the easiest back 7. I didn't grab. And that's once again something I can improve on. Woohoo! So the thing that I love is back 3 or front 3 into back 7 felt so smooth. The back 7 felt so easy. That 2 going to back 9 wouldn't be that hard. I mean, we're feeling it today. We're definitely in flow state. But I want to do cab 5 front 3 back 7. And the one trick that I don't really have, I've done a couple of times, is cab 5. So now the day's shifting because we got the back 7. We did front 3 to back 7, which has been very important to once again like link a front or side rotation into a backside rotation. So the biggest thing now that we got to work on is just learning how to half cab or cab 5. So guys, I'm feeling it today. Today's been an insane day. And obviously we're focusing on rotations today, and then another day down the road we're gonna focus on grabs while doing the rotations, which will make the rotations easier because it'll be more compact. But I'm learning, guys. I'm learning, you're learning, we're all learning. All right, so now we got to learn the cab 5. So Jonathan's gonna kind of be posting on jump 1, and jump 1 we're gonna learn how to cab 5. If we start killing the cab 5, we'll then tie it into the line. Overall, today's has already been a super win. I'm so hyped on today. You need that for weight. Jonathan's a light person, so he wears a backpack so he gets more weight to keep up. All right, guys, so First attempt at the cab 5 wasn't bad, took it to butt, but I saw the whole trick, and so I definitely think we're gonna ride away with the cab 5 today, but I don't know if we're gonna get the dream line of cab 5 front 3 back 7. Now we got it in pieces and everything, but I don't know, we'll see. Don't be afraid to pivot your goals and to feel off how your body is. Like, I would say my tank is probably at like 40% right now. I went off in the beginning of the day, and so it's not bad. I still have a lot of flow state rolling through me and a lot of juice, so like learning cab 5 feels good. But we'll see once we start landing the cab 5, do I have that dreamline in me, or am I going to be pushing it? I don't want to push it and risk injury, but we still want to progress. Did not feel good on my knee. Ugh. So another thing I'm doing too, guys, is I'm letting Benton get the ride to the chairlift, and I'm just kind of like casually snowboarding, conserving my energy so I can continue to try to learn this new trick. The last thing I'm doing too is when I'm on a run, I'm going switch and I'm doing the trick on the ground, like a flat ground spin, but I'm using my shoulders and my head like I would be doing on the jump. So when the jump comes, it doesn't feel super foreign. Anytime you're learning a trick, you can practice so much of it on the run, and then when you take it to the jump, the only thing I'm adding is the jump, but I've practiced the rotation, so I should be able to see through the whole rotation because I'm looking. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. It helps me get my spins. So that's something you guys can do if you're trying to learn 360s, even 180s. Just imagine it before you take it into the air. We're close on this cab 5 though. I'm really excited. And it's also nice. I went so hard this morning and got like tricks back and did like big things. And once again, had some minor progression. But it's nice to like, I'm throwing a trick and I'm hitting my butt. I'm falling a little bit. Like, you know, if you're not, I don't really like the saying, if you're not falling, you're not learning, because I think you can learn without falling. But I am falling because I'm trying to learn something new, which is never a bad thing. Guys, it's Aaron, or as you know on the internet, Air on Snowboards. What up, dude? All right, guys, it was ugly, but I did it, and I hit the second jump. Cab 540. I don't think today we're gonna do cab 540 front 3 back 7, just because I can tell my energy's lower. But let's throw a couple more cab 5s. That felt really good. All I did was going into it, I was like, dude, wind up a little harder. So I put my hands back a little bit more, and it came around. Is it filming?
Yeah. It's 3%. 3%?
Oh, let's fix that. All right, guys, I hate ending days like this, but at my gas tank, I truly feel like I'm at like 10% left in me. So we're gonna end it here. We landed, I think, 3 or 4 cab 5s, pretty good. The trick is feeling better, and obviously I had to throw a bunch of them to get it. The cool thing is, if I really wanted to, even though my dream line was cab 5 front 3 back 7, we did front 3 back 7, and we did a cab 5. We learned cab 5 today, but I could do this real quick. And you guys don't even know that that wasn't in sequence. I mean, maybe the lighting, but yeah, we're getting better at snowboarding, guys, every single day. I'm so hyped. We got a victory lap. We're gonna take it mellow, just have fun, and I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, smash like smash it hard, extra hard today, because we learned a new trick. We threw a 7 on, the biggest jump I've ever thrown a 7 on. Today's been best day of my life.
Face plant that like button.
How about you tail press it?
Or backflip onto it.
Or nollie nose tap.
Oh, we keep going?
Yo, you lost. Alright guys, so I haven't done this trick since Mammoth. You should check that Mammoth video out. It's gonna pop up right here. But it's It's a half cab method. So you do a half cab and then you do a method. It's really cool. Hopefully I can get it. It wasn't there, but dude, we hit that jump like 20 plus times switch today, which is amazing to hit a jump switch that many times. I'm so hyped, guys. And that ends what could be the best day of my life. We had so much fun today, guys. And I don't think you guys realize too what else we did today. Jonathan practiced taking photos of us. We could have cool photos. We filmed an additional video. Like, we put in a lot of other work other than what you watched. So I'm like so stoked. And once again, hitting that jump like 20 times switch. Switch game's gonna be strong this year. The other thing that I'm like super hyped about with today is when he fell twice on the cap 5, and then we figured it out pretty quick, and we were throwing them like nothing. So like having a day where you come out, you throw like a lot of heavy tricks, you do a lot of progression, but don't fall, it's like unbeatable. But with that, Team L guys, I really hope you got something out of today. You literally got to watch how I progress in my thought process on like how I'm gonna do tricks. Like I did straight airs for the first drop, and then I did a bunch of like half cabs and just like 180s and then like I worked up my spin to the bigger jumps, and then I finally spun my big trick on the big jump. And like I didn't just go out first run and just throw my heaviest tricks and risk getting injured. I worked into it. So just know that when you come out and ride, like warm up on the features, figure it out, and then start throwing the tricks, and you're gonna be doing a lot better. And that's the last thing I'm gonna say to you guys. So once again, subscribe if you're new, hit the like button, and as always guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.